Hello everybody. Well, what happened today? I went to town to go get a fuel pump for my Lincoln. The old gas in it killed the fuel pump in it, that 97 Lincoln. And while we were there, we stopped by the place that had a yard sale a little while back. And look what I picked up. 1965 Dodge Dart GT. It is a slant 6 car. I think all of them were. I don't know. I don't know Mopar much, but I'm going to, because looks like I ended up with it. The city was after the gal to get it out. It was in front of her house, and well, the city didn't like it out there, so she had to get rid of it, and I just happened to be there to get it. Looks like the only thing I'm missing is the backup light on this side. Oh well, that's not a real big deal. Got her back here on the trailer right now, but it is missing one rim. Hopefully it's in the trunk, but she doesn't know. It's got the bucket seats. The back seat is over there. It's got the column or the console shifter. The dash looks pretty complete. It's got the original radio. That's always a plus for me. I love the original radios. And of course I'm going to be doing another dadgum headliner, it looks like. This one's got cell panels too. Oh boy. Anyway, newest addition to the fleet. I'm going into the Mopar now. I don't know when I'm going to get to this build, but the price was beyond too good to pass up. So, stay tuned for this one. I am beat. We just got back, just got it unloaded, and I ain't even got it unloaded. I'm just going to let it sit there for the night, and then I'll come and dump it off the trailer in the morning. But there she is. 65 Dodge Dart at BareRose Garage. Like I was telling you, you stick around with BareRose Garage long enough and you name a make and a model, she's going to be featured on this channel. So now we'll have some Mopar content coming for all you Mopar fans out there, and we'll get some metal hot and keep these old classics on the road where they belong. So in the meantime, we'll catch you on the next one. I'm going to go get something to drink because I am beat. We'll see ya.